Welcome. If you have not seen my tutorial on stage 1 of Understanding by Design, please pause this now and go back and watch that one first. If you have watched the tutorial for stage 1, great to see you again. As you know, my name is Kara Smith, and today we are going to go through stage 2 of the UBD template. As always, thank you and enjoy. Stage 2 of the Understanding by Design template. Determine acceptable evidence. In Stage 2, designers will determine what will be considered acceptable evidence to convince evaluators that successful learning has taken place. During this stage, the designer will focus on assessments that will confirm or negate the learner's ability to effectively apply and explain their understanding of material. Performance tasks. Higher order thinking is required to demonstrate students' ability to meet the desired results that were identified in Stage 1 of the UBD template. Because of this necessity, the Performance Task section is established to confirm understanding. The performance tasks are created by using the long-term, thought-provoking questions that were previously generated to guide the focus of the performance task section. When a learner is able to understand and utilize information proficiently, they can productively apply and explain in detail a variety of performance tasks. It is expected that the ability to put what they have learned in their own words, support their answers with evidence, justify their solution, show how they came to a result, and use reliable sources to explain their stance will demonstrate a deeper level of understanding. Designers will also identify the criteria that will be used to evaluate attainment of the desired results. The criteria may be open-ended, complex, and authentic questions, projects, discussions, etc. Other evidence. Assessments of knowledge, skill, standards, and other goals are listed in the Other Evidence section of the UBD template. They will also align with any transfer and/or meeting goals that were not assessed in the Performance Task section. Objective assessment types, such as multiple choice, short answer, true, false, matching, or fill in the blank, may be used as other evidence of desired results. These may come in the form of tests, quizzes, observations, homework, academic prompts, and/or journals. To ensure that the chosen assessments reflect the identified goals and that all goals are assessed, a column is provided to correlate the codes from Stage 1 to each performance task or other evidence. It is of the utmost importance that it is understood that the ultimate focus should be on tasks that substantiate transfer and meaning. Tests of knowledge and skill are useful in their own way and do offer some evidence of learning, but are unable to show sufficient evidence of true meaning-making. Grading rubric. As assessors, it is imperative to ensure that evidence of genuine understanding is very clear and there is no room for tangential qualities of performance. It must be beyond a shadow of a doubt that the success of tasks is the result of understanding the content rather than rote knowledge. This is done by using a grading rubric that is distributed before the task is performed to allow for clear and specific expectations to be known. The rubric is created by the designer as a critical assessment that includes the criterion that were identified in the Performance Tasks section as the evaluative criteria. It is here that the description of target characteristics are clarified. It will be determined what characteristics must be demonstrated when completing the performance task by describing what qualifies as exemplary, sufficient, needs revision, and no evidence shown for each individual criterion. The assessor is able to give feedback based upon accuracy, quality of work, and other elements to allow for what was done well and what could use more evidence of higher order thinking.